To add sketch relationship to drawing, there are several relationships that you can add to drawing. Some relationship will be added automatically immediately you start your sketch. So for example now, if I pick line 2 and try to start a sketch from here, at the bottom of that pencil sign you can see two relationship that is about to add. That yellow icon, we have coincidence relationship and vertical relationship that it is about to be added to that line that I want to start from that point. So if I click that point and drag, tangent relationship is about to be added. If I should, okay, tangent relationship will be added, and also horizontal relationship will be added to the line that I'm about to draw. So now press escape to leave sketch. So if I click this line, we have two relationships being added to it. The first one is tangent relationship, which is between this line and this circle, and this horizontal relationship which is on this line alone. This is the relationship. So now two relationship have been added. You can delete that relationship. I can just click on that relationship and press delete from my keyboard. If I select again, you see we only have target relationship between this circle and this line. So I can add that relationship again by clicking this and adding horizontal relationship. Now click, it has been added, you have it here. Also, there are other relationships that you can add. For example, earlier on I added to this point, I added this vertical and this distance relationship, which is this, and I added horizontal relationship, which was this relationship. That was to add position to this other circle. And also I just added horizontal relationship, I mean vertical relationship. I was not the one that added it intentionally. It was while drawing this line that this relation or this relationship were added. So that's how to add relationship to your SolidWorks sketch. There are other relationships you can add, like you can fix a line. Let me show you. Right now I can move it around. I can't move it up and down because there is a relationship that is stopping that, which is horizontal relationship. To do that, I can just click and delete the horizontal relationship. I've deleted using my delete key. So you can see, okay, I still have that relationship, which is tangent relationship. It is stopping it. So let me delete this tangent relationship and you see that it will be moved ahead, can be moved around. Adding relationship to drawing is stopping is reducing the degree of freedom, that is at which angle it can move. So now if I want to make it horizontal again, click, and then I can add my horizontal relationship. You can see it won't be going around again, just that I can move it along this horizontal path. So to now make it stable, I can either add dimension from here to this point. So good. So if I click this line again, okay, it's not adding any relationship. So I won't be able to move it like before. So another way of fixing of doing another way of reducing the degree of freedom along vertical along horizontal axis is just fixing this point. If I should fix this point, it is over defined. So if some relationship is added to, let's say, a sketch, this kind of error used to come up. That is, it simply means it is over defined. So to do that is just simply delete this relationship and it will come back to normal. So that means that relationship can be added to it. So it is better to just define the length of the line using your smart dimension. So come here to pick your smart dimension. So and then pick. There are several there are other relationship to add also. So it is not just those relationship. You can pick this point, pick this point. You see we have equal curve length and we also have tangent relationship. So if you added tangent relationship to it again, it was not there before. Now we added it. So let me see. We can also add tangential relationship between these circles too. So you see options. We have coradial, we have tangential, we have concentric. You can make them equal. This is 0.07, but this equal relationship won't work because we've added dimension. You see, what is stopping this relationship from working? They are what? This dimension, and this dimension also. So to make it work, we can either delete one of these. Now it is perfect, or Ctrl Z, or we just delete the relationship that we just added, which is equal relationship. Either of the way it provides solution to the error. So let's delete this k and this k dimension. Then click here and here, add equal relationship. So you see you're not having error. You can also add tangential relationship. So why is our tangential relationship not working? It is not working because of this relationship or this yellow, but one of them is causing it, which is this distance relationship. So we can just delete this. You see them coming together because that distance and this tangential relationship, they are working against each other, so it won't be possible. But once I deleted it, s- you see they are now together. That relationship is being formed. So other relationship that you can add to this, you say you can add concentric relationship. So let's try and add concentric. The two circles are concentric to each other. They are on top of each other. You can't see the difference because they have equal relationship. So let me undo it and then change this relationship of equal relationship, delete it, and then add dimension to this again. Let me make it 0.0404. So I'm going to add that concentric relationship again so that you can see what's happening. Concentric, you see, we have it at the middle. And what's now stopping it from happening? The reason why we did not have error the other time was because the cycle, the two of them are the same, they have the same size, but now that they have different size, this tangential relationship is no longer working, so it is obstructing the relationship. So you delete this tangential relationship and then you have perfect dimension and relationship added to the dimension. So this how to add dimension, how to add relationship to our drawing. We have other methods and we have other relationship that we can add to them, but these are few relationship that we can add to our sketch. So we are going to stop here today. Thank you.